What is the best product for you to sell on Amazon? This is the most frequently asked question in our YouTube comments as well as on Instagram and TikTok. Before I tell you the best categories and the best products for you to sell on Amazon, let's talk about numbers. In 2022, in the US alone, e-commerce sales have surpassed $1 trillion. That number was estimated to happen in 2024. But what accelerated the growth was, of course, what happened in 2020. Now, according to statistics, the top 10 categories on Amazon globally are electronics, computers, beauty, fashion, books, furniture, food and beverage, pet products, toys, home and kitchen. Now, before you go along and you start looking for products in those categories and start selling in those categories, let's talk about two main factors. Especially if you're a new seller, you need to figure out if the product or the category that the product belongs to requires additional approval. So sometimes some categories on Amazon are either gated or they do require additional approval for you to sell those products, such as the grocery category. Sometimes it's gated depending on the marketplace. So in the UAE and KSA, that category is completely gated and you need to apply in order to be able to sell. And also you might need additional approval in order to import the products into the country where you want to sell. So that would be somewhat of a complicated category for somebody that's just starting out on Amazon. Number two, how competitive is the category, especially when it comes to brand names? Now, of course, it's not the case for all products under the electronics category, but for most products, you'll find that they are made and sold by well-known brands. So it's kind of a little bit difficult for you if you are launching a new product and you are starting new on Amazon as well to sell products under that category easily and without a lot of competition. Of course, these are the two main factors and there are a lot of things for you to consider, but let's just dive into it and talk about how you can find successful products to sell under these 10 categories. First and foremost, you can just simply go onto Amazon, whatever marketplace that you want to sell in, and just simply go to the best-selling list and try to look at products manually and do manual research. If you want to learn a little bit more about how you can do manual research, I'll leave this video right here. You need to go and watch it, and I will leave it linked in the description box of this video for sure. But you can also use tools such as Helium 10, for example, that can help you identify products a little bit faster. I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10's black box. So I'm in the Helium 10 dashboard. I logged into tools and I've chosen black box. As you can see under product research, you've got 3 different features, black box being the best one for product research. Now, equally, you can change the marketplace and where you want to search for products. So if you're currently selling on Amazon UAE, then you would need to choose the UAE market. It would make it much easier for you to find products that way. With that being said, you can still use Amazon.com or other Amazon marketplaces if your marketplace isn't currently being served by Helium 10 or any other tool. However, it would require you to do some external and additional information. Now, if for some reason you're not able to see Amazon UAE in your dashboard, then you can easily just click here and talk to the customer service team or the customer support team from Helium 10. Let's click Amazon.ae. Now, as you can see in the dashboard of Black Box, you can choose to search via products or you could choose to search via keywords. Very, very simple. If you choose to search products, then you will get actual products as displayed. If you use keywords, then you will get general keywords and then you will need to do further research. Both are great ways, and you also need to ensure that you filter so that you just don't get hundreds and hundreds of results. So we can filter via, let's choose electronics. We could also add things like review count, what the BSR is, shipping size. Do I want it to be oversized? Do I want it to be standard size product? Let's choose standard size. And let's say we want, what else? You can actually choose fulfillment also. You can choose weight in pounds, number of images. If you want certain keywords in the title, lots of information that can help you. I think the more general you keep this, the better, so that you can, especially if you don't have anything in mind, so that you can get a lot of options. So let's click search. And as you can see, that's it. I clicked search and I started getting lots and lots of products. I can just copy the ASIN, or I can just click right here and go to Amazon and see what the actual product is. But you get information such as category BSR, the main BSR, and then the subcategory BSR. You can get things like price, monthly sales, monthly revenue, what the reviews are. Lots and lots of information that you can get on Amazon itself. However, it's easily displayed. As you can see, it just took a few less than a minute for all of this information to be displayed. Of course, the next step would be to look at all of these products and see if they match your criteria and see if those are possible products that you would want to sell something similar to. Can you do any differentiation for these products? Is there enough demand? Are there enough sales for these products? Lots of things to consider once you find really good products. Now, if you want to use Helium 10, make sure that you use the promo code for Amazon Sellers Society. I will leave it in the description box of this video as well. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like the video if you found value in it, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. What is your favorite category out of these 10 categories that I mentioned? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.